Hello everyone, my name is Renz Bitancur Ignacio and it's a pleasure to greet you all. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So, first, let me start by introducing myself. Hello, I am Renz Ignacio, a 21-year-old guy from COT19 majoring in mechanical technology. Over the past few years, I've been on to the journey exploring different facets of work and learning valuable skills along the way. Starting out as a service crew, as a service crew member in a hotel, I discovered importance of excellence, customer service and teamwork. Transitioning into construction work of being as an extra, I got my hands dirty and learned the ropes of precision and attention to detail in a whole new context. Then, diving into the world of technology, I took on roles as a data technician and installer, specializing in setting up CCTV and Wi-Fi networks. It was here that I honed my technical skilled and problem-solving abilities, dealing with my intricacies of technology firsthand. But amidst all of this, there's always been a fascination with mechanical process and machinery. That's why I'm drawn to the role of a late machine operator. The idea of working with my hands, shaping raw materials and into something precise and functional, it's incredibly appealing to me. So here I am at the intersection of my diverse experience and my passion for mechanical work, ready to take the challenge of becoming a late machine operator. I believe my background coupled with my dedication and eagerness to learn make me a perfect fit for the role. So that's all for today's. Okay.